So if you've never used one, whatever car you've learnt in, it's got an automatic handbrake, and then all of a sudden you get yourself your first car, it's a manual handbrake. Let me just show you what it looks like and how it works. So I'll just turn the camera around. So this is it here. It's a long handle with a button on the end, and to release the handbrake you tend to lift the handle up, press the button in, and down it goes. It's as simple as that. And then to put it back on, there's two ways. You can either press the button in, lift the handle, release the button, locks in place. That's what I tend to use. Some people don't press the button in, they just go like that, lift it up. That's fine if they want to use that. I don't prefer to use that one, to be honest. Now, little safety thing, common mistake lots of people do is they lift, press and let go of the button, handle's halfway down, and what's going to happen is when you're driving along the road, it's going to start warning at you on the dashboard. It's going to start bleeping, and what it's warning you is the handbrake's not fully off, and there's a risk of friction on the back wheels where the brake pads are touching the discs. So if that's the case, press the button in and down again to take it off fully, and that way you're going to be fine. So that's what it is. Quick tip on using the handbrake. If it's helped you, thumbs up, and safe driving.